Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video I'm going to show you some amazing indicator in the BTC. We got the sell position and here we have need to book your profit, and I will show you the results of this one. Here we got the sell position, the below area is red, so we have need to open our sell position. Here we go, and here we go. Okay, we have opened up our positions from this point, and like previous one you can see we got amazing results. Okay, and like here we can go for the buy trade, but I will give you all the details how you can go at this exact buy position. And like this one you have need to follow the buy position, like this one buy position, and like here buy position, and so on. So this is exactly sell position. Okay, you can see amazing results, you will get amazing results, and it's 100%, you can say it's 200% confirm signals. Okay, or you will never get loss in any trade if you are using this my MT4 system. Okay, first we have need to talk about this one, and we have need to check the results in BTC in 15-minute time frame. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. In Bitcoin we got the sell position, and you can see we are getting now in good profit. Okay, there are some signal with the cross, with sell signal with the cross, that mean do not go for the sell position. And when you got only sell position here, then that is your sell position, and you can open your sell position from this point. And this one is amazing buy signals. Okay, these are not your signals. Okay, and if you have question that the signals come late, that's for that, let me show you a demo in the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. You can see the signal will come on time, it will not come delay. Okay, like this one buy signal is a 1 minute time frame, so you can see the buy signal, you got the profit here. Now you got the sell signal and you got the profit here. Now this is your buy signal, and you will get the profit when you got any sell signal. Okay, like previous one, the buy signal, all the signals are profitable. When you got the signal with the cross, that means do not go for the buy position. Okay, and let's move further, and so the question here is clear now, that the signals will not come delay, it will come on time. Let's suppose we are going to 1 hour time frame, and in the 1 hour time frame you can see in this candle you are getting the signal. Okay, in this candle you are getting the signal, sell signal with the cross, that means do not go for the sell position, do not go for the sell position, buy signal, and yes, it is profitable. Okay, and if you are using previous one like this one buy signal, and you got amazing profit, this sell signals and you got amazing results. Okay, and this buy signals is giving you good profit, the sell signal amazing results. Okay, this one, so so if we move to the Nasdaq, and I will show you results in Bank Nifty as well. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, and the Nasdaq 100 index, you can see is stop, you do not go for the sell position, and when the market is stable, it's give you the signal, and you can see results. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame, yes, we got the sell signal, and you can see the results. Okay, and it's giving you awesome results, you will get awesome results all the time. Okay, and let's move further, and we have need to show the results in Bank Nifty. Let's see the results in Bank Nifty. In the Bank Nifty you are getting awesome results as well. Okay, you are getting sell signal in this candle, you can see a live demo. uh, in this candle you are getting the sell signal, and you can see it's come on time, it will not come delay. Okay, because mostly people are demanding that can you show me a live signals. So here you can see it's a live signal, I'm not showing the previous signals, it's a live demo. Okay, you can see, but there is some you can say a difficulty that this simple hoga TMA indicator work awesome in bank nifty, BTC, some indices, some index on, but it will not work on all the pairs. Like you cannot use like let me show you in the USD JPY or gold whatever time frame. You can see you are getting only buy and sell signal, but you will not get the cross signal. Like this one, you can see you got the sell signal and market goes 2 down, so this is your lost trade. So how you can get a perfect signal? So for this one you have need to use another indicator. Let me show you. Here you have need to go for the setting. If you are using 15 minutes time frame, the setting, you can see the setting, and let me show you the all. Now you can see my all trades are now profitable in, okay, my all trades are profitable now, and you will get awesome result is 100% non repeated, and it's give you the awesome results all the time. Okay, if you need this system you can contact me. Let me show you the contact details, and these are my all script, and people who are buying my script will getting all my script. Okay, not one or two indicator. Like here I'm using simple hoga TMA and adopt trend. So these are the simple hoga TMA, simple hoga TMF. This one is updated version, this is the previous version. Okay, so I recommend updated version, and this is updated version. I update two versions, but there is no updation on, and this is adopt trend that I am using here. So I am using 15-minute time frame. So for the 15-minute time frame you have need to select 30 minutes. Okay, just one time higher and you will get awesome results. Now study is simple. Whenever this adopt trend line cross the lower band line and you getting the sell signal, so this is your perfectly buy trade, and you will get the awesome results here. Like here you got the sell position, adopt trend line is crossing the upper band line, so this is your sell position. But I will recommend this one. When adopt trend line is crossing the upper band line, you getting the sell signal, so this is your perfectly sell trade. Like me show results in Euro USD. Like here you can see adopt trend line is crossing the upper band line, you getting the sell signal, so this is your perfectly buy trade, sell trade, and you will get the profit here. Now this is your buy trade and you will get the profit here. Okay, now this one is your buy trade and you will get perfectly um, profit. And now this is your sell signal from this point, and market goes up, but it's give you awesome results. Okay, this is your buy position, you can book your profit here, and so on. Let me show results in 5-minute time frame. If you are using 5-minute time frame, then I will recommend, you can see it's a live demo here. Okay, if you are using 5-minute time frame, then I will recommend you have need to use here, go slowly down, and here you have need to select 15. If you are using 5-minute time frame, then recommend here. Okay, now you can see it's a live demo. You can see a live demo is here, you got the sell signal, but this is not our position. This one our buy position, and you can see you got awesome profit. Okay, now this one is your position. Let me explain the conditions again. Remember, when this adopt trend line is above from the upper band line and you are getting the sell signal, so this is your perfectly sell position and you got the profit. In BTC and some indices and Nasdaq and Bank Nifty, you can use only this indicator, but for the forex indicator you have need to use this strategy. You have need to add two indicators. Okay, like here I add two indicators, and you can see the results are awesome. And one more important thing here is that I am I'm very weak in English, so I am trying my best to explain the strategy in English, because my audience are mostly from the USA, Canada, Australia, and abroad side. So yeah, they do not understand Hindi or Urdu. So well, I am trying my best to explain the strategy in English so everyone can understand this one better. So you can see this one. now we are some good, not a very good profit, but we are now in profitable. So this strategy is awesome, and you mind blowing. Okay, and you will get consistent profit if you use this one. Okay, so uh, hopefully you will love this strategy, and any question, any query, you can ask me. And let me show you my contact details, how you can get my scripts here. These are my contact details, you can see, and you can contact me through WhatsApp, Telegram, or any let me show you 36, and this one. You can see this is my WhatsApp number, this is my Telegram. Okay, this is my Telegram, and this is simpleog@gmail.com if you want to contact me. But remember, there are some fake Telegram channels, so do not join. Okay, remember, personal contact me on my Telegram @simplehoga1. Write one at the end must. Okay, one must at the end. Okay, so you will have need to personal contact me on my Telegram. Any further query, any question, you can ask me. This strategy give you consistent profit on daily basis, and you will love this strategy because it give you consistent profit all the time. Okay, let's see results in crypto, and we have need to show you a live demo. Here we our conditions met, and here you can see, like, this one was actually a good entry, and you got the profit as well. Okay, but we have need to see a live demo. Okay, this one is actually a good entry, and you got the profit here. This one was actually a very good entry. Okay, and conditions are very simple. When the adopt trend line must be above from the upper band line, you got the sell position, you can go for the sell position. You can open your sell position, like this one is your sell position, you can book your profit here. Okay, and this one is your sell position, you can book your profit. This one is your buy position, you can book your profit here, and so on. This one is amazing one, this one is amazing one. Okay, you will, this one is buy position is amazing. Okay, you will get consistent profit all the time, just need to follow the rules that I'm telling you in the video. Okay, okay, let's see a live demo. This one actually a good sell entry, that one is your buy entry, but here no entry. Let's see, no, not position, no position. I have need to show a live demo where all the conditions. This one awesome profit. Okay, let's see. Okay, now this one, you can see adopt trend line is below from the lower band line. You can see adopt trend line is below from the lower band line, and you are getting the buy position. So this is your perfectly buy position, and you will book the profit here. So this is your live demo example. Okay, because mostly people are demanding for the live demo. So I have decided that whenever I will make a video, I will show you a live demo, at least 1 to 2 entries, so you can check yourself. Okay, you can see it's a live demo, and you will get the profit around 0.8395 94 or 95. Okay, you will get the profit here. Okay, and previous entries awesome results. You can see you get awesome profit. Okay, and any query, any question, you can ask me. I am showing you a live demo, live example. Okay, any question, any query, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care. And these are my contact details. Let me show you. If you need, you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp number. For the next video, bye bye, take care.